Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your Dave ExtraCash advance not showing up, showing zero when it should be on higher, or the option just completely disappeared? Here's what's actually going on and what you can do about it. First, understand that Dave refreshes your extra cash eligibility daily, so if it showed an amount yesterday and showed less or zero today, that's the system's recalculating based on your recent account activity. There's nothing broken. However, if extra cash has completely disappeared from your app, then first check if your bank account is connected. Go to the banking section and make sure your linked bank is not showing a guide or showing a disconnected warning. A disconnected bank instantly removes your cash extra class eligibility. If your bank is connected and extra class is still missing, log out of Dave app completely and log back in. This refreshes your account and the extra cash section usually appears. Also, head over to your app store or your play store, search for Dave's app and make sure that the app is fully updated. So all you gotta do is check your bank is connected or not, then log out of your bank and log back in to refresh your account and update the app. Extra cash should reappear. Subscribe for more Dave tips.